Hey, I'm Christy and I'm one of the founders of the Creative Cash Course. Man, I remember the first time I made a sale. It felt so good and I didn't know where to go from there because I happened to have one person in my life who was ready to pay for something I made. And I loved making things, so I would just make and make and make, and you finally run out of people to give it to for gifts. And so I realized, okay, there is a way to make money doing this. But how? I don't know how. And so for me, I started an Etsy shop. And it was not easy, but I've built a business and I have 4,300 sales on Etsy. I also have a strategic way to do an open house where I had up to 80 guests come to my house within a 2-hour span. It was incredible, but it took me some time, to build that up. And so tips like that, strategic tips, we're going to teach you in the course. You're going to learn so much. It's going to save you years of time and lots of money in the long run. Hope you join us.